Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 4, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall applications from your watch. So let's get started. So if you want to uninstall applications from your watch, you can do it in two ways. The first way is to do it directly on the watch, and the second way is to do it through the phone application on the phone that is paired with your watch. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it on the watch directly. It's quite easy. You open the menu by pressing the Chrome button, then find the icon of the app you want to remove, press and hold on the icon to open the edit mode. And once you're in the editing mode, you can see that some of the icons have this minus icon next to them, which means that you can remove those apps basically, because not all of the apps are removable, unfortunately. Only some of the apps that are already installed system applications, you can remove them. Anyway, find the application you want to remove, tap on this icon, then tap on delete, and the app will be removed from your watch. And that's how you do it directly on the watch. Quite quick and straightforward. To do it through the application, you go to the Zepp application, you tap on the device icon, find the App Store and tap on the arrow right here to open the App Store, then tap on Mine, and here we have the list of applications installed on our watch. We have my AMAZFIT GTS 4, and we can tap on More, tap on the bin icon, tap on the app we want to remove, then tap on Delete, tap on OK, and the app will be removed. So if we go to our watch, open the menu, the icon should be gone as well. Okay, and that's how you remove or uninstall applications from this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.